Okay, now we're gonna put icing on the lip gloss to see if it'll do anything.
Yum. Okay. Love icing. Hey, did the egg cook?
Yeah. Isn't this fun?
That one?
Yeah.
That one's gross. If that's staying a little longer, if it's like cooked. You could use this for soap. Yeah, you can still use this soap. Second. But it has sulfur. No, that has that looks gross. Dude, what is it? Ew, it's like hard. Go put your hand somewhere, like another room. Why? It's not hurt you. It's like not hard. Like gooey.
Dude, the icing melted.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh. It was like bubbling.
Oh my gosh.
It'll explode the lip gloss. Doubt it. The lip gloss sucks.
It's indestructible.
Alright, I'm taking this out now.
Oh my god, it's bubbling.
Oh my god.
Awesome.
Wait, let me see.
Wait, that is so gross.
Ow, ow, ow. This is really hot. It looks like...
It smells disgusting. That's stupid.
Shit. Oh, God.
It looks like a chemical, like, experiment. Because it is, but yeah.
Come on.
That's really nasty.
Okay.
Oh, that's awesome.
What else should we put in there?